Are you trying to convert your Walmart listings to WFS, aka Walmart Fulfillment Services? I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that in today's video. And if you stay till the end, I'm going to be giving you some pro tips just to make sure everything goes through. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. And if you look at my screen, the first thing you're going to do is log in to Walmart Seller Central. So you're going to Seller Center. So you're going to go to seller.walmart.com, go to your catalog. You're going to find your product that you want to convert. You're going to go all the way to the right, and then there should be a fulfill with WFS. If it's not showing this and it's a new listing, sometimes you need to wait 24 hours and it should show this. You can also try to click the box and see if it shows it in more actions, but usually it's going to show it right here and you click fulfill with WFS. After you do that, you're going to fill out this information and we're going to do it together. So we're going to uncheck recommended because nobody really cares about that right now. We're just trying to get it converted. You're going to do the country of origin, right? So where was this product made? And it's made in the USA. US. Sometimes you need to go through it. So let's go all the way and find US. United States. There it is. And now you're going to put the orderable GTIN, and we have it right here. Each GTIN, put it right here. You're going to put the depth, the inch, the weight. It doesn't really matter, okay? We're just kind of doing speed here. Does the product contain an electronic component? No, right? Does not contain the battery? No. Net content. I'm just going to put one product each, right? This is just one. It's just one product each, right? Nothing crazy. You put the offer. Make sure the offer is in here. Restriction type, you're going to put none. Do not put illegal for sale, okay? Then you should be good here. You're going to go to item content. We're going to see if there's anything else here. California prop warning. Is there a warning text? If not, just do NA. And then we're going to click submit for changes. And you're going to click yes, submit. There's a feed ID. Copy this feed ID. Oh, it just went away. You can find the feed ID again in the activity feed right here. But you're going to try to copy that feed ID just so you have it for reference. That just shows Walmart that you have it. And for now it's going to take around 24 hours for it to be converted to fulfilled by Walmart. Once it's converted, you can go to the WFS area and you can ship products into Walmart for the ones that were converted, right? You're going to know it's converted because it's going to say seller fulfilled and it's going to have like a little parentheses that says Walmart fulfillment service as well. So you'll have two options. It won't just say seller fulfilled pretty much. Next is for staying to the ends of the video, I'm going to be giving you 2 extra pro tips. And then my first pro tip that I see a lot of people getting wrong is when they do fulfillment with WFS. They don't put the GTIN number in. So if you only have a UPC code, right? So let's say you only have a UPC code and it says orderable GTIN number. It is not the UPC code, right? You put the UPC code in and the GTIN is 14 digits. This UPC code is only 12, so it needs to be 14. To get it to 14, all you have to do is add 2 zeros in front, and then it's going to work. So make sure if it asks for the GTIN and you only have the UPC code, put 2 zeros, right? Make sure it's 14 digits, right? If it's 13 digits, put 1 zero to make it 14 digits, right? And count, make sure it's 14. Pretty much put some zeros in front, and it's worked every single time for me. That's pro tip number 1. Pro tip number 2 is after you apply that, you submit the changes and you're done, it's going to give you a feed ID, right? You can also go to activity feed and get that activity feed ID. Get that activity feed ID and save it, because if it doesn't say process or it says error and something's wrong, you're going to copy that feed ID. It should be good. Let's see. If there is errors, you can double check under hazmat review and you can review the progress, right? You can see why. So double check you have that feed ID right here, and you can also contact Walmart and say, hey, help me convert my item to WFS. I tried to do it. Here's my feed ID. Please push this through. And they, as long as you have that feed ID, they will be able to help you push that through, right? Or they might ask you to do it again and you give them a new feed ID. But that's exactly my pro tips on how to get your items converted to WFS so you can ship your products into Walmart. If you did like this video, drop a like. And if you are a Walmart seller or an Amazon seller, I highly recommend to subscribe to this channel because we're going to be giving away our best information that we've learned from our clients. And if you need help with Walmart or Amazon, feel free to contact EHP Consulting Group. Not only do we specialize in this, but our number one service is full account management, where you have your own personal consultant that's coming in and optimizing your listings every day, doing all of your customer service. If you need Walmart labels, they're sending you those Walmart labels and making sure your account is increasing in sales. And they've been working with us for over 3 years and personally trained by me. So feel free to contact EHP Consulting Group if you need help with Walmart or Amazon. Talk to you soon.